A health alert tonight about multiple sclerosis, better known as MS. It's an autoimmune disease that attacks the body's central nervous system and affects about 400,000 people in the U.S.
Now the FDA has approved a new drug, which is the first to treat primary progressive MS. The drug is also approved for relapsing remitting MS, and that is the most common form of the disease.
Our chief health editor, Dr. Partha Nandi, joining us now to break it all down.
Yeah, Glenn, I'm excited. So this is particularly exciting for folks with primary progressive MS.
The idea of having therapy approved to treat primary progressive MS, even though it doesn't represent a cure, is really exciting for the 10% of patients with MS who have that form of the disease.
Primary progressive MS is a form of the disease which gets worse slowly over time. Dr. Burmel says that current therapies that are available to folks have not been effective. The new drug, ocrelizumab, impacts a specific type of blood cell called the B cells. Dr. Burmel says this type of therapy opens up new doors for MS researchers to understand how the disease works and find better ways to treat it. There are a few unique characteristics about this drug that make it appealing. For one, it is more effective. Also, the drug, which is administered through an IV, is given less frequently than current drugs, just once every 6 months, which means less time taken away from the busy lives of people with MS who are often young adults. In addition, early trials of the drug have shown that it's as safe as other MS treatment options.
The safety data with this medication look really promising, and it does look as safe and as effective as really any other option that we have right now. However, with any new medication, we're always cautious.
And as you said, like any new medication, it's always best to talk to your doctor first to see if it's the best option for you. But I'm excited.
Yeah. This is very promising news for so many people. How does MS affect a person's day-to-day life?
That's a great question. MS is a nervous system disease where a person's brain and spinal cord is affected. People with severe MS can lose their ability to walk. They can also experience periods of remission as well. And so this would be those people that keep relapsing that the MS, this will be effective for them.
So how does the medication work?
Well, quickly, Glenda, this new drug affects a type of blood cell which is part of your immune system. It seems to halt the progression of the disease, mostly for those who have relapsing MS. In the drug trial, patients saw a 47% reduction in their relapses when compared to other treatment options. So really awesome for a lot of my patients with MS.
47%. That's
awesome. It's huge. It's huge.
Yeah. All right, Doc. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
And if you have a health concern or question for the good doctor, you can email him at drnandy@WXYZ.com or send it to us, Facebook, Twitter. Give us a call. We'll get it to him.